Good afternoon, I'm Tony, and Dorinda has put a post on Facebook regarding repairing the cabinets here in Treasure Island. We're owners down on 310, and first thing we noticed was cabinets delaminating and having a problem, so we found a really amazing solution to it there. We did ours about almost 10 years ago, and they're still looking great. This is another set that is having problems, a different condo. And I was just going to do a quick demo on how to apply this product, what to do with it. And first thing you start out with, I'm using 91% alcohol, isopropyl of Walmart, and just paper towels. It's really critical, get an extremely clean surface to work with. Work on all of the top side surface, I call it, and the back side. Got to be just super clean. Alcohol is the best thing I found that will cut grease and anything there that would be a contaminant to affect the adhesion on these things. I cleaned on this one just a little bit earlier, so that way I don't spend a whole lot of time here scrubbing and cleaning. The product I use for this is a product, I get this from my son. He's got a company in Springfield, Missouri that he's created and makes this stuff. It's pretty amazing. Comes in a big strip. Stretch. Okay. And that works. It's pretty forgiving. It's okay. It's not gonna go bad. So get it attached. It's kind of sticky, but it's amazing stuff. You can actually make some pretty big blunders with it. It'll still work just fine. If possible, using a big piece, you can use one piece and wrap all the way around the whole, at least the top of the cabinet. So I'm going to start here. I like to lap a little bit over on this piece here. Punch it down. I've got that stuck. We get this down. And I'm leaving just a little bit of distance between the breakover edge here and the vinyl. And I'm going to pull this up and take it a little bit closer to the edge. And it'll flex and bend. It's pretty neat stuff. So then I'm going to go over the top. That way we don't have any joints here. I'm going to break this over. Again, keep it real close to the edge. If you don't like quite where it's at, reposition it. I've got Dorinda doing the great photo work here, so say hi, Dorinda.
Hi.
Is that all we get?
Yeah.
Oops, that's a little too much gap. I don't like that. Okay, got a pretty nice edge on that one. I'm going to come on down, wrap this one.
There.
I'm not sure what she's doing with the camera, but hopefully you'll see what we're doing here. Okay, this one is on. Not yet. Okay. And this, I'll just stick it up for another use. Probably couldn't see that one, but it's the same thing. I'll go ahead and cut this one. Okay, I like to go ahead, start with our sides first, and just kind of wrap that around. Come off there. Okay, Other side. I couldn't really see what I was doing on that one, but I kind of start in the middle.
Oh, the really long spots, especially.
Yeah, especially on the long ones. Just kind of work them over. Keep a little tension on it and just kind of fold them over like that. And then I go ahead and just kind of really hit it good and tight here. Make sure it's well sealed. Everything feels really good there. Okay. I always feel to see if I can catch anything here. It feels fine. Okay, this is the edge from the inside. That is just not very noticeable. Okay, here is the back side of this edge of the cabinet. You can see where I applied it. You see where it comes around across the top and into the front. That's the new one. Here's the old one. You really can't see the difference. It's been a great fix. Whole lot more affordable than trying to deal with cabinet doors or painting or anything else. Seems to be quite a solution. So hope this can be of help. And our phone number is 417-839-7711, and I can put you in touch with the company in Springfield that's doing this and creating it for us. So thanks and have a great day. Goodbye.